Are you joking? Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Justa and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking today's video. I really do appreciate you all. So as you saw from the title, today I'm going to be talking about this hair. Yeah, you have seen like this hair a million times. You have seen this hair on my IG stories. Yeah, I know you have seen like this hair and you are just wondering, is it a wig? Is it a wig? I've seen your DMs, I've seen your WhatsApp messages, but today I'm going to be talking about this hair. So if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button down below and also the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload another video like this. Yeah, it's free, people. It's free. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So subscribe, comment down below and like. Okay, so let's jump right into the video, and also comment how, if you think like this color is amazing on my skin tone, or just comment down below about this hair. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Yeah, and subscribe and don't skip the ideas. Yeah, so now that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate you all. So like I said in the intro, today I'm going to be talking about this hair, this amazing, fabulous hair. Yeah, and I know I look good, but you can also comment down below that I look good. Yeah, so anyway guys, so the name of this hair is Ocean Bulk. So this is like the packaging that it comes with. It's by Darling, Ocean Bulk. This is the name. I don't know if you can see, Ocean Bulk, and then it's number 113. So today I'm going to give you all the I'm going to be telling you all the mistakes that I did with this hair, like every single thing. Yeah, every single thing. And then I'm going to, later on in the video, you're going to see the clips as I install this hair, so you'll just understand what you're not supposed to do when you're maybe installing this hair. So first thing first, I cornrowed my hair 10 cornrows. If you are planning to do like this hairstyle, please do maybe 14 cornrows, like closer to each other, cornrows that are closer to each other. You're going to see in the video and the amount of the time that I took to crochet this hair was 5 hours, because I started 7 and I ended up finishing it at around 11. Yeah, at night. It was a lot of work, and the next day I was traveling, so I was not able to do half of my head the previous night, and then the half the other during the day or something. So clips, let me just put the clips right now. Guys, I've just installed this 20-inch for this packet. So this was 16, this is what it was 18, and the one that was here was 20, and this I've just installed this one, and now I'm just going to take this 20 from the second package, pack, and then continue installing. And this is how far it I've just installed. Yeah, so this is just this one bundle of the 20-inch. So this is this 20-inch. So I'm going to continue installing this from the second packet, and then this is the far that I've gone. So I'm left with, I've just installed inches. I've installed the 20 and 18. Now I'm left with these two, 16. So I'm left with these two, which I'm very sure I'm going to use maybe one. Yeah, so I'm using this 16 one and then installing. I'm so tired. I didn't think this will take this long, so I'm just pulling so that I can remove this rubber band, because they have tightened. Hey. Now this is the 16, which I'm going to use it at this point. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Yeah. And it's actually very soft. Yeah, you can hold it up. So if you want to hold maybe your hair up on a, if you want to hold your hair on a ponytail, I will advise you just to don't do the same cornrows like I did, because me, I'm not planning to like do ponytail, or yeah, I'm not planning to. So anyway guys, so like I said, this is Ocean Bulk, and the first mistake, like I said, is don't cornrow big cornrows. If you want, you can go to maybe to a salon, and then you just tell the salonist to do like two small cornrows on your hair, like the ones that you used to like do when you were going to school. So what you do, you just take like, you see that piece, and then you loop it like so. So this is how you loop it, and then you can hold your hair like this, or you can hold your hair, let me just show you, you can hold your hair like this. I prefer holding mine like this, so you can choose either of those methods. If this video is not clear, I have more videos on crochet that you can go and watch, and you'll understand how to crochet your hair if you don't know how to. So the package is like this, and you can see like I wanted the exact color. This is number 130. No, this is number 230. The one that like this girl has, this is number 230. And again, if you want like a more bulky look, like you can see mine is not that bulky, but when you're going to install it, at first you're going to like realize like the hair is bulky, but after maybe some few days you're going to realize like your hair is not that bulky. So I will advise you just crochet like 3 packets if you want a really bulky look. So that's the first thing. And also the second thing, I tried like to do like invisible crochet method, and I'm going to show you in the video. I hope I still have the footage. Yeah, and you can see like I tried, and don't use like big sizes, it's going to unravel. So what the knotless method, what I'm going to be just doing is just pull it through, attaching, and then taking one just like so, and then I'm done. I move to the next. Now the next, and I try to go as close as possible to the other. Now to the next. Just basically that it. As simple as this. It's very simple and easy to do. And I did like both sides, but because I did like big cornrows, that style is not cute, so that's why I normally like put on like, you know, I tie like a scarf so that it can look a little bit cute and doesn't show the knots that you can okay, the knots are showing. Yeah, the knots are actually showing because you can see like one braid is from here, and then the second one is here, and then the third one here. So if you just do like smaller cornrows, your hairstyle will be just like it's your own hair, or it's a wig. And again, if you want this hairstyle to be more natural, you can cornrow your hair. Don't do cornrows that are going from front to back like I did. Just do cornrows going upwards, like in a mosodo kind of way. Yeah, do those type of cornrows, and you're going to be able to maybe hold your hair into a ponytail, and then you will be having like many hairstyles that you can do. The next thing about this hair, these hair shades, yeah, this, let me just show you an example. Let me show you an example. Okay, these hair shades actually, and it tangles a lot, like it tangles. You can see like from that, like just that one simple comb. Okay, you can't see, but this, okay, you can see, like my camera is just failing me, but you can see that's the hair. Yeah, so again, if you like if you'll be like installing again, just maybe when you're looping your hair, just loop maybe 3 times so it shades less. Yeah, that's what I did, and it's still, you know, shading. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget, thank you so much. Now that you have seen the clips that I've just inserted, how I installed this hair, I love it, I love it, and I'm definitely like purchase this hairstyle. Like again, I said, if you want a bulky look, purchase 3 bundles of hair. I purchased 2. It was going for around, for total was going for around 1200. And if you want like a nice cornrows, you can do it for yourself if you know how to like have that tight grip. Me, I don't have that tight grip. Or you can go to a salonist. And again, I love this hair. It's so pretty and I look nice with it. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you on the next video.